Are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your solar panel cleaning services? You're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your solar panel cleaning services. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with MartySites yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from currently for different small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our markets. Solar panel cleaning, there it is up there. You also have the option to select the general service business templates. Great, let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Put in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from literally all around the globe. Now, once you click the continue button, MartySites will generate a simple website for your business literally instantly and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new websites. The great thing about MartySites, which makes our website builder a little bit different from all the other ones out there, is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to a solar panel cleaning service and pre-selected images too specific to that market as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. It doesn't matter which market you select out of the hundreds of small businesses, it will literally have pre-written content and pre-selected images. Of course, everything you can edit, you can change the images and the content to make it a bit more personalized to your business. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how easy it is to do that. So let's click on the first section at the top. Let me show you how easy it is to make any changes and make it a bit more personalized. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my business, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's check that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. Maybe you're a mobile business, but if you put in your physical location when your website's live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Underneath, update social links, put in the various social media platforms for your business. Once you've done that, the social icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. Now, in the next section, if you have a business logo, you can make your way over to this next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it, you can rotate it by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. Great. To change the colors used throughout your new website, just click on that paints icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. You're bound to find one that's suitable for your local business. For the sections that you want to change the images or maybe that content, just click on that update section button. Over here, you can upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can change the keywords and find other suitable images as well, or connect your Instagram accounts if you have one for your business. Now, underneath that update action button here on the left, you can change the text on those call to action buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file. Great way maybe to put in your pricing points or packages for your solar panel cleaning services. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard and easily stay on track of things. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you've already purchased a custom domain, that was a really smart move, because having a custom domain for your business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. If you'd like to purchase a custom domain for your website, just click on I want a new domain over here, and you can easily, conveniently purchase one via the MartySites platform as well. I really hope this video overview was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the MartySites platform for your solar panel cleaning services. Really wishing you and your business Marty success. If you have any questions about MartySites, just pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. All the best.